Erica, what do you have? Yeah? What is that? Are you being crazy because you got a blue ball? Do you love that blue ball? Whoa! Yay!
Oh, now the camera's on now.
Whoa! Whoa! Oopsie. Whoa!
Okay, yeah. That's too close to her head, so don't.
Whoa!
All right, that's too close to her head, okay?
We're mowing this area.
Okay. Well, you want us to move her, and then you can mow it?
Now I can mow it.
Okay, now you can mow it.
I know my
Every,
is
you gotta be careful.
it's not walking right
Well, it's because you're trying to run over everything.
when it's not working.
Oops.
That's why my son is working.
Okay, good.
I go vroom. And then my line was really loud.
Oh, do we all need to put our earmuffs on?
This is grandpa's.
Just like Grandpa's lawnmower is really loud?